Now, to the next problem. Problem number 26 begins with list all rentals that use discounts from inactive discounts offers. That includes the rental details, discount name, and percentage. And with the SQL code being shown right here, I will now begin the explanation to this query. This query lists rental transaction where the discounts from inactive discount offers were applied. It includes the details about the rental and the discount name and the discount percentage. Now, here's how the query works. Selecting columns, which is RD rental underscore details ID, the unique identifier for each rental transaction. Next is the RD customer ID, which is the identifier of the customer who made the rental. The next is the RD date time rented, which the date and time when the rental was initiated. The next is the RD status as rental status, which is the status of the rental, example given as completed or is it still pending. And next is the discount name, the name of the discount applied to the rental. Then lastly is the cost percentage, which is the percentage of the discount being applied. Next is the joining tables, which is the rental details, which is joined with billing using rental details ID to link the rentals to their billing records. Next is the billing, which is joined with discounts using the discount ID to identify the discounts applied to each rental. The next is the filtering condition, which is the D status in equals to inactive, which ensures that only the rental using discounts marked as inactive are included in the results. Then the result. For each rental that use an inactive discount, the query provides the following: the rental details ID, which is the unique ID of the rental transaction. Next is the customer ID, the ID of the customer who rented the vehicle. Next is date time rented, which is the date and time of the rental. Next is the rental status, which is the current status of the rental, as given example, completed or cancelled. Next is the discount name, which is the name of the discount offer, which is the name of the discount offer that is being applied. And lastly is the cost percentage, the discount percentage that applied to the rental, which is that this query is vital for auditing rental transaction, ensuring that inactive discounts are not improperly applied. With the explanation being done, I will now show you the output for this SQL query right here. And with that, that's all for problem number 26, and we will now move on to the next problem.